What's going on, everybody? The Rx7 is 63%, 69% done. All right, so as you guys know, I've been working on this project for quite some time. We finally got the engine tuned. Let me pop the hood actually, if you guys don't remember what's going on with this piece. All right, single turbo, all that fun stuff, E85, tuned it, you know, got a precision turbo, all that fun stuff. Ignition coils, blah, 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 blah. Fun, cool. All right, so we're gonna go for a ride and see how this thing is. I haven't driven this car in, shit, probably about a year and a half, and I'm going to go to my team over here and see what they have to say about the vehicle. Speechless. So, let's start this thing up and get ready to go. Okay, so I'm in this piece. We got the Rx7 key. Let's see if it starts. Oh shit. So this car's been in pieces for quite some time. Since the weather's getting nicer and this whole lockdown, I've had more time to work on it. So I'm really gonna try to get this thing up and running so I can drive it more. But yeah, let's see how it sounds. Nice. Brandon! Brandon!
Open the garage door.
See? Teamwork makes the dream work. All right. So it smells like E85 because it's 100% E85. What? Wait, what? He says it smells, so it's burning his eyes. All right, let's go for this ride. Joining me is Brandon. He's gonna be the camera guy. We're gonna go for a ride and see what this thing really does. So wish us luck. Brandon, take the camera.
Hi y'all.
This is what it do.
Where the bitches at? We're ready to die. So I literally have an open wastegate, as you guys can hear. Oh. Hey, you learning?
Shut up. So we just put in new suspension. The suspension was, we put in some TN coilovers just to make the ride a little better. It was really shitty. It's a lot better than it was, huh, Brennan?
Yeah.
Yeah, we took it for a spin earlier just to see if it if anything was falling apart, and it was really bouncy. So we adjusted.
Yeah, it was way more bouncy.
So I mean, this actually doesn't feel too bad.
Damn, the shit's fast.
Hey, look, there goes Sean, our employee. Oh yeah. What's going on, Sean?
What's going on?
You going to work?
Yeah, you guys driving this beater around?
Nigga, yeah, let's go. Alright, my ears, I'm deaf. Just so you guys know, we're not going that fast. It just sounds fast because all the rotary engine noise and turbo. So,
But I mean, it is fast.
Yeah, I mean it is. But that was literally like 27 miles per hour. So don't get too excited. Like, what are they doing? We're staying within the speed limit. You know, we're being respectful to traffic in the community. No one's out because obviously we're in a lockdown. So, you know, I just want to make sure that the car is running and it's safe for us to drive, which it seems good. What do you think, Brendan?
I think it's pretty good.
I think so too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this thing back to the shop, you know, make sure everything's good. But yeah, I think this thing's pretty dope, you know. I like it. I mean, I can't fit in it, but it's cool. So we're gonna find some place to park. We're gonna get some outside shots of it, you know, kind of check it out, see what it do. We'll go to a parking lot, you know, do some rolling around. Like I said, car still needs to be wet sanded. There's some spots we still gotta touch up, so don't expect some clean ass FD because that's not what you're gonna get. But we will show you the car because I'm excited to have it out. The weather's nice, but yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. So Brandon, turn off the camera and let's get to a parking lot so we can show everybody what the real thing is, what this Rx7 really do.
Alright.
Bet. Alright, we made it back in one piece. I didn't get to do any like outside cool shots because it was too loud. I was scared of like somebody was gonna pull me over. But overall, it was decent, you know. It's fast, it has its days. So now I want you guys to follow along. We're gonna be doing the body, getting that finished up. And probably get this thing ready to sell. I still want to make some content on it before I get rid of it because this car's literally been sitting here for 2.5 years. Thank you, Brian. Yeah, but like I said, like, subscribe. We'll keep it up. You know, I'm going to try to do a video at least 3 times a week with this thing. You know, I think I'll be doing interior, talking about like, you know, how we're gonna fix it up, because interior, I mean, it's not bad, but all the shit's old, it's all beat up, so that's probably gonna be the next thing I'm gonna fix. Thank you guys so much for you know, coming to check out the channel. Subscribe because I need those subscribers. Yeah, thanks a lot, you guys. So see you guys soon.